Classics has always been good to me too.
What's going on, YouTube? Bronco79 coming at you with a box break for Zefotbs. Alan got him on the phone, got him on speaker. He's going to listen to me bust this live for him, and then get to check out the video later. So say what up, Alan.
What up?
All right, man. Good luck.
Pull me something good, dude.
I'm going to try, man. Good luck. Good luck. Box of 2008 Donruss Classics for Zefotbs. Let's pull us a McFadden auto.
Yeah, the first McFadden auto I ever pulled was out of 08 Classics. It's been good to me. Let's hope it is again.
Let's hope so. Good luck, brother. Good luck. Pack one, man.
Thank you.
We got a Hank Schramm legend. Rest his base. Make sure I pull all the number and all that kind of stuff. You'll get all that stuff for you too. So
Right on.
we got a Timeless Tributes of Burt Bell, numbered to 250. And base. Let's see here. Not going through all the base cards, man. Membership inserts of Calvin Johnson, Megatron, number to 1 million. What up, Sictifer? We got a Monday Night Heroes insert of LaDainian Tomlinson, number to 1,000. And a few cards short on the base. That's kind of interesting. So that means we'll get a pack in here with one more base card. Then again, maybe that's a good thing.
Maybe so.
We got a Timeless Tributes parallel rookie of Lavelle Hawkins, number to 250. What up, Den 1013? Choice 22. Figured we go ahead and throw out some shout-outs too while we're doing this.
Oh, yeah.
Still looking for our first hit, man. Nice insert. School Colors, number to 1 million of Dan Marino.
Cool. Not bad.
Wife in the background going through pots and pans. We got a Keith Rivers Saturday Stars, number to 100 insert. Where's the hits? Almost through the first row of packs and no hits yet. I lied. Here's our first hit. Slow roll it for the camera. And we got an insert in here too to boot. Low numbered. Alright. Good luck, Alan. Here's the first hit.
Alright.
Slow rolling for the camera. We got a jersey. School Colors. Nice. Dan Marino. Numbered 15 of 68. 15 of 68. So that's the first hit, and then in the same pack, we got a Platinum Parallel, Classic Combos of Dan Marino, Joe Montana, numbered 16 of 25.
Not bad box so far.
Hitting the old school. Maybe we'll hit us an old school auto. Forget McFadden. Let's hit an old school auto. No offense.
I would have no qualms with that whatsoever.
We got a Classic Singles, Old School, number to 1,000 of Jim Parker for the Colts. What up, Hudson Fan 15? Ty Durden 555. Well, that's the first row of packs. Still looking for our last couple hits, man. Good luck. Still haven't even come across the rookie yet either. Oh, here we go. Rookie. Number 2, 999 of Tim Hightower for the Cardinals. Let me thumb back through here real quick, make sure I didn't miss a stinking rookie. Because I know there's 2. I don't recall seeing one, but then again.
What was that, Lavelle Hawkins?
Hold on.
That wasn't base rookie, was it?
No, it was not a base rookie.
Okay.
Nope. All right. No rookies in the first, in the leftover base. So moving on. Moving on. More base. Insert of school colors, number to 1,000 of Lavernius Coles. And base. Getting down to the nitty gritty here, man. 3, 6, 7 packs left, including the one I'm opening. We got a classic singles of Dick Night Train Lane for the Lions, number to 100. Another Sictifer shout out. Still should have 2 more hits. And I'm not slow rolling this. Here's the rookie auto. Number 2, 499 for the Jags of Chauncey Washington. Have no idea. Have no idea who that is, but Saturday Stars insert of Brian Brom, number to 1,000. 1, 2, 3, 5 packs left, man.
Something good away.
Another rookie of Jerome Simpson, number to 999. What up, Double J, Josh Johnson, 55. 3 hits in this box, right?
I think.
I'm pretty sure there's supposed to be 3. Legends of Ozzie Newsome, number to 999. For the Browns and base. 3 packs left, man. Still looking for our final hit. And it's not in here. Base. Insert Monday Night Heroes, number to 250, Brandon Stokely. Why the Broncos traded him off is beyond me, but whatever.
I'm glad we got him over in Seattle.
TJ, who's your mama base? Just a base pack. All right, man. Last pack mojo. Let's hope. Last pack mojo. And we're missing a hit. Missing a hit. Insert classic combos. Troy Aikman, Jay Novacek, number to 1,000. And let me go through here, make sure I'm not missing anything. I will go ahead and file the claim for you and send off all the information. Or unless you want to do it. Because I have 2 open ones right now.
You can do it, that's fine. Yeah, it's not a problem.
Yep. Sorry, brother, we are missing a hit, but I will make it right. I will submit the claim for that. I apologize.
Not a problem, bud.
But thanks for hanging out live while I bust this. And
no problem.
I'll have it listed on Monday. So, anyways, thanks, you two. Peace out, fellas. Got anything to say there, Alan?
Just tell him peace.
Alan says peace. Peace out, fellas. I'm out.